Treyway TV fam. So I am here to explain. We just set up KK whelping box. Of course she's not going to be having the puppies in it, but when she come back, somewhere for the feel, you know, cozy, to feed her puppies so the puppies can stay in. I bought everything off of Amazon. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got, because if I didn't get it, I don't know, Trey would have been, I don't know, the puppies would have been here before he would have thought about getting it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here's our setup. We put it in our family room. There is Nyla playing the Switch. So we put it back here behind the couch, kind of out the way. You know, we had to move the couch down a little bit, take a table out. But here it is, guys. Usually you guys are probably used to seeing it on Trey's channel is a pool with the noodles, you know, for the whelping box. Even with KK, even though she had a C-section, we still did a pool for her. Did we do a pool? Yeah, I think we did do a pool for KK too. Look, I can't remember. But okay, this is the first time we ever did this. So this is like a baby playpen. You see KK is already getting cozy. She is scheduled, today is the, what's today's date? The 7th. She is scheduled either to go in on the 10th. They're going to check her to see if she's ready. If not, she's going to go in on the 12th and have the baby. So we're about 5 days out, 3 or 5 days out. But okay, here we go. There's a door, a little zip door on this playpen, you know. Open it up. She can come out. You know, you can open it all the way up. So we just put, for right now, we just got her food and her water bowl, little blanket, her bed, a toy. She'll probably be feeding the babies on either side. And then, oh, we also have, I also bought this little, so the playpen does have a bottom to it, but I bought this little mat thing. It's rubber on the bottom, and it is a whelping liner, box liner. I found that off of Amazon. And I'm gonna try to make sure to put the links to everything I bought at the bottom. But here it is. This little, you know, absorbent for liquids and prevents soak through. Provides a sanitary whelping area. Odors and stains wash out. So you can put it in the washer machine. And you can take it outside and just, you know, spray it off with the water hose, maybe some soap or a power washer. You can cut it to fit your whelping box. And then the slip resistant backing also helps keep it in place. Also on this playpen, there is also some suction cups that kind of help keep it in place.
Make a difference.
Yeah. Okay, so that is pretty much the whelping area. I'm going to step in and show you guys Trey's setup. So of course you probably already seen the incubator video.
Nah, I ain't trying. I put a short up though. They seen this
okay.
shit, I put a short up.
Well, y'all can go back to his incubator video about 2 years ago, and it's the same exact incubator. It's a new one. This is a new one, but we made it. Trey made it exactly the same as the first one, with the heating lamp. You know, you got the cooling fan back there. That is the temperature gauge, and then the moisture.
I ain't got it taped down yet, y'all, but I will before the pups get here.
Yeah, and then this is the big thing you really need is what do you call this? The
temperature gauge.
Like the temperature controller.
Humidity.
Yeah, so it cuts off when it reaches a certain temperature, a certain moisture. The humidifier is plugged up to it, and the heating lamp. But yeah, go back to that video. I'm going to have Trey link the video so you can click on it if you've never watched it.
I add that in there.
Okay, right here I just got this, a nasal aspirator.
Very important. To
suck the puppy's nose if they get too much milk. With Frenchies, this is very important because of their short snouts. A lot of times they get milk, you know, stuck in their nose, so you need to have a way to get it out. We also have bulb syringes. Trey just needs to clean those out. Puppy milk, you know, just in case KK's not producing enough, or when the puppies is not able to latch and get enough milk, Trey can mix that up. A scale to weigh the puppies, make sure they're eating enough every day in the first couple weeks. Then he will use the scale to weigh them for their dewormer, to figure out how much dewormer they need. Boy, shut up. These are just some of the colored collars. So if you have puppies that come out and if you ain't named them yet, a lot of them are the same color, you can put these on them to help keep them separate. Also in here is little charts, so you can track the puppy's weight, track their feedings, and different things like that. And it's also got the colors on it to make it a little bit easier to track. See, that says whelping, gender, weight. Well, we don't need that part, but vaccination, you know, weight chart. Okay, got puppy pads. I just did. Oh, I didn't show the dog face.
Slide it up.
There you go.
Yeah, look at that. Ain't that tight? My wife picked the best stuff, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man.
Of course, puppy pads, what that is for. A towel, you know, just in case. Some gloves. Alcohol pads, just to be sanitary. We got the, what are these called? The magic nipples. For feeding the little puppies. Within the like first 2 weeks, they'll probably use these. If somebody can't feed, so once he mixes up the puppy milk, you know, he'll put it in here, and this is how he would feed. I know it's not focusing. This is another one too. It's another little feeder, a little different. Thermometer for checking KK, because once her temperature drops 1 degree. No,
when it gets to 98.9 or something like that, that means in 24 hours we should have puppies. But you want to do it regularly to know your dog temperature, which I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't know her regular temp. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I know once she gets to 98.8 or some shit like that, that means she'll be ready. So I'm gonna be doing that today. Actually, gonna be checking her temperature. We got about 6 more days until she deliver, but we're gonna check the temperature today and try to keep tracking. Well, 5 more days, y'all.
I told her today.
Okay. Well, 5. Hey, the wifey see up to date more than me, man.
And then these are just covers for their temperature, for the thermometer. Excuse me, yeah.
Slide one on.
Yeah, he can slide it right off. Because obviously you check their temperature through their rectum. So just keep it more sanitary. And that's pretty much it. You know, if we need anything else, we'll just get it as we go. Or
I'm saying this, or if it's something that you've used when you whelp the litter and you see that we ain't got it and you think it was helpful, drop it in the comments. You know what I'm saying? I'm always open for better improving my kennel and getting more knowledge and information. If it sounds right, I'm gonna do my due diligence, do my research. So if it is something that y'all know that's effective and y'all use, please drop it in the comments, man. Yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna try to post the links to everything in case somebody else is interested in something. Yeah. So now he's gonna drop the video to the old. I'm gonna drop that old video. I'm gonna try to put the links and get him the links to those too. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see if she gets right in. Yeah, even though I don't have it unzipped all the way, we can, but yeah, she got bigger, man. That girl loaded. I hope she loaded, y'all. I hope she loaded. I hope she loaded, y'all. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was so worried about the incubator getting set up, I forgot about getting KK whelping area set up, you know what I mean? Like I said, we've been busy with Christmas time. We just came back from out of town. So she went ahead and, man. And can you explain why incubator is good and when will you use it? Well, incubator, man, like I say, for everybody that's breeding dogs, always good to have an incubator for, you know, a pup that's not doing so well, or you know, just to keep sometimes to keep the pups away from mom. But this is a good way to protect your investment, protect your puppies, man. If anything is wrong, you would better keep an eye, keep them safe, give them fresh oxygen, fresh air, man. So it's always a good plus. Why not have one? No matter what the breed is, guys. Always try to invest in one of these. And I say you can make it yourself for cheap, working man prices, guys.
And Trey said he's going to get like a little latch for this. Because sometimes the puppies will start moving and try to crawl out of here. So he's got to get something to kind of stop.
Yeah, try to put a knob or something on there. With a,
stop them from pushing it open.
Something, rubber band, something to hold it. Because I ain't going to lie, y'all. I last one pup got out and he fell. Thank God it was alright, but he had fell off the dog on the incubator.
Baby Joker?
It might have been Baby Joker, crazy.
You said he. That's
yeah. Okay.
That's crazy. I just thought about that.
It might have been Baby Joker.
You only had one boy at the last litter.
Hopefully this little man, like I say, I hope I drop 6 or better. This would be TPK Kodak first litter, so I'm excited to see how many puppies he produced and what he throw, because I know he's a crazy color. Crazy. Lilac Trimerle, man. He got the tick marks. I mean, he got the tick marks and all that. Y'all know, y'all seen my probably drop some pictures or whatever, but let's go ahead and check the temperature real quick. Alright, y'all, so basically, y'all see I got the plastic on her. You want to keep sanitary as possible. I got my gloves on. Turn it on and stick it on there until it beep. Like I say, I haven't done this with her since our last litter, so hopefully she be cool with me.
Well, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Well, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's what they live at the high. Hey.
Alright.
Full S13 stepping on shit to this pride. He brought me the money sealed up. I still had it counted. I cannot just hide.
Okay.
You need a plastic bag? Or you gonna wrap it in your gloves?
Yep. Just keep sanitary, guys. See that? Wrap it in my glove.
You can
pull
still
your
wipe
gloves
that
out like that.
alcohol.
I still wipe this with alcohol pads. The wife said, even though it didn't touch nothing, but you just go on the extra mile, extra step to make sure you try to be sanitary as much as possible.
How far did you stick it in?
You know, probably like right here. You know what I mean? A little past that. Y'all see that? About right there. And y'all see she didn't flank. She wasn't screaming and all that extra stuff. And we got a temp, so y'all see what was at 99.6. So she getting close. I'm gonna check her tomorrow every day to the end.
Lay down.
And we gonna go from there, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe as always to all my new supporters and new subscribers. Cause I did get a lot of y'all. I appreciate y'all for subscribing. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this long, man. Thanks for watching the video. If you can, drop a like, man. Try to get to the algorithm so I get this video pushed out to more people I can help and reach more people and drop more information, you know. And maybe somebody can drop some information on me, man. I appreciate it, you know. Until the next time, we out, man. Treyway TV.